Managing products on WooCommerce? Writing descriptions one by one takes forever. Let me show you how to do it all at once using Clever CSV. First, head to your WooCommerce dashboard and go to the Products section. From there, export your products as a CSV file. This gives you a full list with product titles and other details. Now open that CSV file in Excel. What we'll do is create a formula that builds an AI prompt using each product title. You can customize this however you want. Make it fun, make it SEO friendly, whatever fits your brand. Once your prompts are ready, head over to Clever CSV. Use the Excel AI tool to upload your file, all based on your custom prompt formulas. Download the updated file, and now you're ready to bring it back into WooCommerce. Go back to your store, import the CSV, and your product descriptions will be automatically updated. No manual writing needed. And that's it. Super easy way to handle a big product catalog without spending hours writing the same thing over and over. Try it now on Clever CSV and make your product listings way smarter.